Hello everyone, my name is Pawash Srivastav. I am here to give my final year project presentation on accident detection and alert system. For this particular project, my guide is Dr. KB Dubey sir, and my fellow team member is Prabha Mishra. Let's get started. This is the introduction part. As we all know that day by day accidents are increasing and many people are losing their life. uh, Many people do risk their life due to these injurious accidents. So we have introduced one detection and alert system which helps people uh, that where the accident has met, the whole information will be sent to the nearest hospital and to the nearest police station, and they will get sufficient help for this particular accident. So the main objective of our project is to give the alert to the vehicles running nearby to the accident location, and to provide and to give accident information to the nearest hospital and to the nearest police station for emergency rescue, to help people who have met with the accident. For this particular project, we are using technologies like Android Studio, Xcode, Swift, Kotlin, SQLite database, GSM, which stands for Global System for Mobile Communication, GPS, Global Positioning System, and Arduino. Arduino is basically an electronic device, basically an open source electronic device which is easy to use and act as a hardware and software. It can also act as a sensor. It is a main part of our Arduino is a main part of our project. This is the implementation of our project. If the user or people has installed the application in his mobile, and and if he has met with the accident, then we will get the accident information through GPS, which will which will go through GSM and provide through satellite, which provide an alert system to the nearest hospital and to the police station, and the rescue team will come up and help him where the people has met with the accident. Evaluation part. If if the person has not installed the application in his mobile, and the person has not a connected internet connection, then the application will not work. Application will only work on Android and iOS devices. Accident must be physically damaged so as to get the rescue team. If the device will destroy or stall, then the detection of accident cannot be detected. So this is our application results. This is the front view of the application. This is the registration page where the user has to register his name, area, phone number, email ID, and password. And after he fills up all these entries, then he will be redirected into login page, which looks like this. For this login page, he has to enter his email ID and password. These are some of the detailed features of the application, in which we have provided hospitals, uh, petrol pumps, ATM machines. So if you click on these in this plus sign, which is hospital, then it will show some of the nearest hospitals at your nearest location. These are some of the references which are helping me to for my particular project. So these are some of the references for my project. So for this particular project, this is my research paper. So in my research paper, we have simply written some introduction part, in which we have a simple introduction to the project, and some of the applications which we are using for this particular project, and a simple implementation of the project, and some of the references for helping in this particular project. So this is the snapshot of my research paper publication details. It is under publication through International General Research in Engineering. Thank you. This is it for my particular project. I would like to thank Dr. KB Dubey sir for guiding me in this particular project, and my fellow team member Pravar Mishra. Thank you so much.